Multi-snap option not showing. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that your Snapchat application is updated to its latest version on your device. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm just going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of Snapchat, and also make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, tap on your profile at the top left corner. That process I've already done in my device. So here you can see my profile. Now after that, tap on the little gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and see if there is any option of multi-snap option. So as you can see, there's no option of multi-snap option in my device right now. It is most probably due to the fact that it is the updated version and latest version of the application on my device. So what you can do is just go and tap on logout and just re-log into your account after logging out, or you can also download or install the older version of Snapchat application so that you can have multi-snap option. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.